Keeping properties clean and well-maintained is essential, whether it's a family home in a quiet Austin neighborhood or a busy commercial building downtown. Pressure washing is one of the most effective ways to restore surfaces, remove dirt and grime, and maintain curb appeal. However, residential and commercial pressure washing are not the same. Each comes with unique requirements, equipment, and benefits tailored to different property types. Residential pressure washing in Austin. For homeowners, pressure washing is an affordable and efficient way to preserve their property's beauty. Austin's warm climate and frequent pollen, dust, and mold growth make homes especially vulnerable to buildup on siding, driveways, and patios. Surfaces cleaned. Driveways, walkways, decks, patios, siding, fences, roofs, and even outdoor furniture. Equipment used. Typically lighter-duty pressure washers that provide enough power for home exteriors without damaging delicate surfaces like wood or vinyl. Frequency. Many Austin homeowners schedule residential pressure washing once or twice a year, often in spring and fall, to keep their homes looking fresh year-round. The main benefit of residential pressure washing is improving curb appeal and preventing long-term damage. For example, removing mold and algae not only keeps your home looking nice but also prevents rot and costly repairs. Commercial pressure washing in Austin. Commercial properties, restaurants, offices, retail stores, and apartment complexes have much larger spaces to maintain and higher foot traffic, meaning dirt and grime accumulate faster. For businesses, appearance directly impacts reputation and customer experience, making professional cleaning a necessity. Surfaces cleaned. Parking lots, building exteriors, sidewalks, dumpsters, loading docks, and signage. Equipment used. Heavy-duty, industrial-grade pressure washers capable of covering large areas quickly and removing tough stains like grease, gum, and oil. Hot water and specialized cleaning solutions are often required. Frequency. Commercial properties may require monthly, quarterly, or even weekly service depending on usage and industry. For example, Austin restaurants often need more frequent cleanings to maintain hygiene standards. The focus of commercial pressure washing is on safety, compliance, and brand image. Clean, debris-free sidewalks reduce liability risks, while sparkling exteriors and windows make businesses more inviting. Key differences at a glance scale of the job. Residential jobs are smaller and more surface-specific. Commercial jobs are larger, often requiring teams and specialized equipment. Cleaning agents and methods. Homes typically need eco-friendly or gentle detergents to protect siding and landscaping. Businesses often need stronger degreasers and hot water systems to handle industrial-level buildup. Goals. Homeowners focus on aesthetics, comfort, and property preservation. Businesses prioritize safety, sanitation, and customer impressions. Why professional pressure washing matters in Austin. Whether residential or commercial, hiring professionals ensures that surfaces are cleaned properly and safely. Incorrect use of high-pressure systems can damage siding, concrete, or paint. Local Austin pressure washing experts understand how to adjust techniques for each property type and use environmentally responsible practices to protect landscaping and waterways. For homeowners, this means peace of mind and a beautiful exterior. For businesses, it means compliance with local standards and maintaining a professional image that attracts customers. Final thoughts. While residential and commercial pressure washing in Austin share the same goal, removing dirt and revitalizing surfaces, the methods and requirements differ significantly. Homeowners benefit from improved curb appeal and long-term maintenance, while businesses rely on professional services for safety, reputation, and efficiency. If you're a homeowner looking to brighten your siding or a business owner needing to maintain a spotless storefront, investing in the right pressure washing service tailored to your needs will keep your property clean, safe, and inviting.